So hi guys, I'm here today and as you can see it's very good progress and we have the floor people coming in about 30 minutes and they're going to do the floors in this room. So I'm going to do a little before and then hopefully during I'm going to ask them to film some videos and also a couple of after photos, but that's coming in due time. They're supposed to be done within a couple of days because they have to let the oil soak in and stuff like that. I don't know, I'm not a professional, but here's the before.
You texture that's wonder, get lost in a dream with the wind in our hair now, a perfect little scene. Just an absurd babe, come on, let's live the dream. Shine, my love. Shine, my love. Shine, my love. Shine, my love. Every moment feels right.
Check the suit, check the glass, check the glass. Look at the street. Everybody is waiting for the leader. Watch the feet, 1, 2. Button the silk jacket tight. Step out to the curb. Rhythm is calling the block, calling us. Watch how the feet move. No friction on the pavement. No friction. The neighborhood is watching.
A shape in blue. The air feels heavy. I want to stay. I see your eyes. They look like water. Cold.
We have a light in the bathroom and the sockets. We have lights. This is for the kitchen and that's for the TV area. We also have sockets. They need to be, washed a little bit after installing, but they are on the wall. This is where a lot of trash is collecting, but we have sockets in the kitchen. The only problem was this one because they filled it up while doing the wall. So we tried to find it and the wall is a bit damaged, but they're gonna fix that. And also we ran out of the covers, but there is a socket also for this light, which turns on those. And we also have this lamp and that's turned on. Here we don't know which lamp, so currently it's literally just a bulb, but oh my god, that's so pretty. Casts like a warm light and it's so cute. So yeah, we all have all of the sockets here. I do believe that these, let me zoom it out. These control those lights by the bed. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah, yay! And also we have radiators, finally. It's warm here. They installed all of them also on the other side yesterday. More sockets there, also for Wi-Fi. Oh, and I didn't even go into the closet. Yay! So one socket there wasn't enough for here. But this is the light in the closet. This is where all of my stuff is gonna be. And that's the view straight through the apartment. Oh my god, so pretty.